Hey YouTube, back again with another video. This one's going to be a little bit different. I'm not going to go over VTHO today, but what I've done is I'm trying to build up my Satoshi positions and basically stack the sats. So at the moment, I think it's a good time to do it because it seems like some of the DeFi plays, especially the Binance DeFi tokens, are popping off on Binance at the moment. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go over some of the best plays that I think could have some potential on Binance. So I'll get straight into it. So looking at CoinMarketCap, the first thing you really need to look at is the Bitcoin dominance. And as you can see there, that the Bitcoin dominance is fairly high. If we just zoom in quickly, I've got this triangle pattern that's forming and it's pretty much almost stayed within that pattern. And it looks like we're kind of like on the top edge of that pattern. At the moment, we're at 63.34%, and I think that's a little bit high. I'm expecting the dominance to drop off at some point, but I really do think that, a breakout for altcoins could really be as late as August 2021, potentially. So we'll have to see how that plays out. If I just jump into the coins that I think, are really good plays at this time, if I just jump into here, so the first coins, and just to make you aware, this is my own opinion. This is not financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. I'm just a guy on YouTube, just sharing my opinions. And what I've done is I've really looked at tokens that I think perhaps were once at a peak and they've dropped off significantly, and potentially they're probably at their bottom or close to their bottom. But I still think there's some potential there. So the first one that I wanted to have a look at is VTHO. So I'll just go to that token now. So you're probably asking, what is VTHO? And this is available on Binance. And the reason why I say this is because, the market cap is fairly low at 17 million. And it's dropped off significantly from when it was first launched. If we just go over to the charts, you can see that it's close to pretty much its all-time bottom. If we have a look at how much it's dropped by, sorry about that. I'm going to have to go back to CoinMarketCap because they've changed their website. So as I was saying with VTHO, I think that is a good play to make. The reason for that is because, number one, I signed up to Coinmetrics a little while ago, and actually it was one of the tokens that they had on their pie chart. I don't have Coinmetrics at the moment. I only had it for the trial period. I was surprised to see VTHO on there. The chart shows that it's at a fairly low price. Just comparing it to its all-time high for where it is at the moment, the all-time low was 0.07 yesterday. So if we just have a look at the price history, the all-time low was 0.05 and the all-time high was 0.22, and that was March 07. I do think that there is a potential for that to break out again. It's gone quiet. The RSI is looking okay on that, and I think it will take time for it to get back up again. The only problem at the moment is the volume on VTHO is extremely low. So it will take some time for that to build up. But that's definitely one to watch for and just to keep an eye on to see how it moves in the market. The next one that I wanted to have a look at is BOT. This is a Polkadot token. It's a DeFi token. Basically what they're trying to do is they're trying to make a marketplace or eBay of the internet. Looking at this, you can see that again their market cap is really low at 11 million. And the best thing about this token is they've only got a total supply of 100,000 bot and only 26,000 are in circulation. So looking at the price, and it's only just recently been released, you can see that the price has dropped quite significantly from its highs. Looking at the app, and I've actually had a look at their website, and I can probably go there in a minute. Being honest, I'm not really that impressed with their website. It doesn't look great. and I find it difficult to really get anything to load up properly on there. I contacted them and they said it was because they need some centralized processing power to be able to process the website and the articles on there. But what really interests me on this is that it's a Binance token. It's a Polkadot token. A lot of the Binance plays have been popping off like crazy. I don't know if you've seen UNFI. That has been doing really, really well. At the moment, bounce volume is again extremely low. It's reached quite a low price, and I think bounce has the potential to pop off at some point. Again, I'm not sure when, and the project doesn't look that great, but I think it definitely has a lot of potential, and they have some advisors on board from places like Synthetics and Compound and so forth. So I really do think that they could be a good play moving forwards. So they were mainly the tokens that I wanted to go through today. And of course, maybe just having a quick look at REN, which is one that I am very keen on. Of course, if you don't know what REN is, basically it's a platform that allows people to wrap tokens, like wrap Bitcoin and so forth. So the utilization is good. The circulating supply is good. If you look at the price is fairly low again. And if we compare that to the highs and the lows on price history, from all-time high to all-time low, the lowest was 0.01, and that was back in 2018, going back quite some time. And from its all-time high at 59 cents, it's dropped off quite significantly down to 29 cents. So just waiting again for that to pop off. I think Bitcoin is going to go down. I don't expect it to break 20,000 this year. I expect it to sell off, but not in a massive way. I expect it to sell off slowly, but of course that depends on what happens on the 15th of December if Mt. Gox releases all their Bitcoin. I think if that happens, we could see a bit of a dip, maybe 20%, maybe close to 30% at that time. And then I think it will bounce back up very quickly indeed. Of course, if that happens, then it's going to affect all the altcoins at the same time. So these are probably some short-term plays, just seeing some of the DeFi tokens pop off, and I just wanted to just see what will happen with these tokens moving forward. So I hope you enjoyed the video. I'll catch you on the next one, and please don't forget to like and subscribe. Really helps me out, helps the channel out, and really helps it grow. So thank you for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.